Today I'm super excited to get this message across from the universe to you because I'm channeling it and I really want to get it recorded and posted so that you can hear it and be happy about it. So if you're watching this video, do not forget to double tap on this video and comment below to claim the energy. Okay, so let's begin. So basically what I'm seeing for the collective today, whoever is watching this and whoever this video has managed to reach to, is someone basically who is really stuck in life right now. And when I say stuck, it's more on the career front is what I hear. I just feel that most of you are just on the brink of giving up. When I say brink of giving up is basically you're just done and you're really thinking that, oh my god, this place I need to leave right now. Things are not very working out. If you're working for an MNC, especially if you're in a corporate or administrative job, I see a lot of frustration coming in. If you're in your own business, things could have been stagnated for some time now. So what I hear right now is there is this, there's a lot of pressure on you and there's a lot of frustration and you're going through a lot of anxiety. There are a lot of, depressing thoughts in your mind. You just feel like it's done and it's not working out, but just do hold on, because I'm seeing that you're really leveling up now. This is where you actually have done your part of putting in all the effort that you had to, and the result is only this much away. And this is what the universe wants to tell you through me, that do not give up anymore. I see, a very calming energy coming your way. I see a very calming wave of, things really happening for you. And you just finally being very relaxed, calm down, and things are just going to happen. And also some of you could hear an apology if someone has really offended you, especially at work is what I see. So basically, things are really going to culminate into your favor is what I see. There's a lot of reconciliation coming in. I'm getting cards which are really summing up to what the energy is. So that's beautiful. I do see your perseverance is what I see. All your hard work is going to pay off now. So just wait for the results. Karma is going to give you whatever you have sowed, you are going to reap now. So it's just like everything is happening in its divine timing, as I said, and the divine timing has arrived for most of you. I do hear a lot of, Aries, Cancerians, Librans coming through, cutting through all the problems in our life and really reaching like the epitome of the success. So do watch out for angel signs 111, 222, 777 and 888 for money and abundance. And do let me in the comment section below if you connected with this video. Okay, and follow me for more on Ravina Tarot Star. Till then, goodbye.